Hey there, Jonathan here from Maple Toyota, taking a look at a 2023 Rav4 Prime XSE technology package. So right off the bat, you'll see we added a hood deflector to this vehicle. See those XSE specific wheels. We added some blacked out badges, looking very sleek with the black paint. Body side molding and running boards going down the side of the vehicle. And this vehicle has also received the ceramic coating, so the paint is protected. Being an XSE technology package, we do actually have a kick sensor under the back door. In the rear of the vehicle, one of my favorite features here, this is the cord that plugs into the vehicle side, and this side plugs into a regular wall outlet at home. So charging the car at home, you'll get about 60 to 70 kilometers of range. And being the technology package, we have JBL speakers, so 11 speakers with the subwoofer in the back. Quick look inside. You will notice we have an absolutely massive panoramic moonroof, full Softex seats. So unlike the XSE, this is also Softex in the center as well with that technology package. Close the door here. You can see our digital display in the center. We have paddle shifters on the steering wheel. Very large backup camera, which will adjust when we turn the wheel. Wireless charging pad right there. Heated and cooled seats. And of course, we now have Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus with pedestrian and bicycle detection. Thank you for checking this out. Have a great day.